Welcome to Kids Zone Rhymes and Songs.
Baa Baa, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for a sweater so cozy and neat. 1 for some mittens to warm little feet. Baa Baa, white sheep, what do you bring? Soft fluffy fleece for the queen's new swing. I make warm blankets and pillows so fine, snuggly and soft for bedtime time. Baa Baa, brown sheep, what's in your sack? Soft shiny wool for a farmer's hat. 1 for the teddy and 1 for the doll, keeping them warm when winter winds call. Baa Baa, rainbow sheep, so bright and cool. What do I give? Colors for school. Red, blue, and yellow for crayons and more. I bring some magic that kids all adore. Baa Baa, all sheep, let's dance and play, jumping and laughing all through the day. Sheep of all colors, together we sing, wool for the world and joy that we bring. Baa Baa, brown sheep, let's dance and play, jumping and laughing all through the day. Sheep of all colors, together we sing, wool for the world and joy that we bring.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.